Let's use an equation to model and solve a problem. 1 gram of protein contains 4 calories. 1 gram of fat contains 9 calories. A snack has 92 calories from P grams of protein and F grams of fat. An equation that represents the relationship between these quantities is 4P plus 9F equals 92. This is an equation in 2 variables. P represents the number of grams of protein. F represents the number of grams of fat. A solution of an equation in 2 variables is a pair of values that, when substituted into the equation and evaluated, makes the equation true. Let's try to identify a solution to this equation. Is 14 grams of protein and 4 grams of fat a solution? Let's check. Substitute 14 for P and 4 for F into the equation. Evaluate. 4 times 14 is 56, and 9 times 4 is 36. 56 plus 36 equals 92. This statement is true. This means 14 grams of protein and 4 grams of fat is a solution to the equation. Is 8 grams of protein and 5 grams of fat a solution? Substitute 8 for P and 5 for F into the equation. Evaluate. 4 times 8 is 32, and 9 times 5 is 45. 32 plus 45 is 77. But the final statement, 77 equals 92, is false. 8 grams of protein and 5 grams of fat is not a solution. Is 5 grams of protein and 8 grams of fat a solution? Substitute 5 for P and 8 for F into the equation. Evaluate. 4 times 5 is 20, and 9 times 8 is 72. 20 plus 72 is 92, so the last statement is true. 5 grams of protein and 8 grams of fat is a solution.